All right, guys, for episode 3 of Fun Feature Friday with 360 Sync, we're going to talk about how to do bi-directional sync in the desktop tool. So right now I have a single sync where I am copying files from Procore to Autodesk. If I want to make that a bi-directional sync, then I will need to add a mapping and flip it. So this time, instead of going from Procore to Autodesk, I'm going to go from Autodesk to Procore. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to pick the opposite. As before, I'm going to pick the folder in Autodesk first, and then I'll choose the folder in Procore second. And this time we will call this one Autodesk to Procore. And so now I've set it up. So first I'm going from Procore to Autodesk, then I'm going from Autodesk back to Procore. Okay, so this is the first step that you have to do. The final piece of the puzzle is you have to click on our little gear button right here and choose Edit Advanced Setting. And when you do that, it's going to bring the Advanced Settings menu up, and you're going to want to check this last box here, Push Latest Sync File. Basically what this does is it turns 360 Sync on so that it will sync files bidirectionally, meaning if you update a file in one place, it will back it up in the other place, or if you update it in the other place, it will back it up in the original place. The way that it works, basically, instead of just comparing the timestamp of the source file, we compare the timestamp of the source file and the destination file. And if one changed, or if a file was added in either location, then it would copy it and back it up in the other location. And because we're comparing the timestamps against each other and not against the file in one place or the other, we're just comparing it against itself. If a new file is created, or if a file is edited, then it's going to copy that file to the destination. We're not comparing which one is newer. We're comparing if that particular file has been updated or if it's brand new. So you hit save there and you hit play, and there you go. You've got a bidirectional sync. Now, please keep in mind, there are only 3 places that 360 Sync can currently perform a bidirectional sync with. The first one is Autodesk. The second one is Procore. The third one is Windows. So between any of those 3 tools, you can copy files to, from, or bidirectionally. So hopefully that's helpful.